Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate MariBank physical card from the app. First, unlock your phone and open the MariBank and log in using your username and password. Once you are in the home screen, tap on the option that says card option or open the menu to select the card. You will see your card details in the app. Tap on the physical card that says inactive or not activated. On the card details, look for the button that says active card or card activation. Tap the option to continue. For the security reason, the app may ask you to confirm your identity and you may need to enter the one-time OTP sent to your phone. Follow on instruction and you will need to create a new card page